hours. Y'all already know how we coming. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See the whole gang rolling up in Hellcats now, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like it. I like it.
We had to upgrade.
I see you. I see you.
My brother.
Whole fleet coming in cats. Wide body.
Gonna catch up the park.
Boy, everywhere, man.
You know what's going on.
Everywhere I am, I see you, man. That means you must be working too.
Oh yeah, work. Real work.
What it is, my boy? How you feeling? How you feeling? Hey, man, where the Mero at, man?
It's out right now, boy.
Okay, okay.
Playing around.
Got some shit getting done to it already. What up, Queen? How you feeling? How you doing? Man, motherfuckers out here, ain't they? Legs, I seen the Jeep out there, man. That joint look good. I'm like, who is this rolling right here? I see the place say legs. I say up. I see we outside, man. Ferrari thing out here. Why you on that, my boy? This joint look good out here. Matte black, satin black. That. We just got Mopars and old schools. He had to go jump supercar on motherfuckers. He had to go jump supercar on us like that. Y'all see the flavor, man. We got every flavor. We got every flavor. Let my boy go. I knew my boy was gonna make it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I knew my boy was pulling up soon. How you feeling, my man?
Good, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Mook in the V. Y'all know what time it is. My boy S. Dot out here, man, grinding. Everywhere I am, he is, and vice versa, man. We out here. We going up together. 23, definitely our year, man.
Hey, it sucks if it's the end of the Milwaukee, man.
You know how it is, man. You know we mess around, go somewhere warm though, just to continue to get this content.
I thought about it, bro. I thought about it.
Oh, it's finna happen. I'm finna get cleaned up out of here, man. Definitely finna go get some of that Texas shit. Everybody out there in Dallas right now. Everybody out there right now, man. I gotta go get some of that footage. Real.
I feel like I'm missing out, man. I ain't gonna
Man, I ain't finna say I'm pushing out content all year.
I know.
So, you know what I'm saying? If it ain't nothing going on here, I gotta go. I gotta go somewhere where it's warm at. What's going on, bro? How you feeling?
What's going on, my boy?
Go ahead, tell the camera how scared you was to bring the.
Look, I'm trying to be like y'all when I get older. I'm trying to get on the like a big dog.
She got the Audi in the garage because she knew Mook and the V was gonna be in this bitch today. Let's just tell the truth. Let's just tell the truth, man.
My name is not Hammy Girl Mel for no reason. You know I'm smoking niggas, and that's on period. I had a 2020 RT smoking niggas and an SRT. Niggas don't want no smoke.
I don't know what's wrong with them niggas.
Got that pedal to the metal, nigga.
Hey, if them niggas lost to RT and the SRT, they need their ass whooped. Hello?
Shit. Tell them I need my
What you on, man? Where you at? You pulled up to that lot, or you know where the new location is? Alright, well yeah, we done moved to a park down the street already. That first address is dead already. It's right down the street though. I got the address whenever you ready. Alright.
Hey, you know what you remind me of?
I know they just finna get better and better too, bro. That first one was already dope. I know they gonna get better and better. That was the first one. They wasn't ready for it though, man. Ain't nobody else that never done it before.
The good thing about it is, you know what I'm saying, we kind of got the temperature of what it could be. You know what I'm saying, what we need to do to improve it.
Yeah.
Y'all already know it's Mega Bus open next year.
It's the creator of top car show.
We doing one in June, July, August, and September.
You already got locations?
Same spot.
Same spot?
Yep.
Man, that parking garage over there across the street from Rush Hospital, fire. It got the whole view of the city because it's right outside the city. It's not downtown.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Rush Hospital, it's like right West Lupus. Man, bro, that joint right there. If you can get that joint, man, that's what I'm campaigning for, bro. I just did Rush Hospital, but I'm telling you that parking garage nasty. Man, see the whole city from up there, boy.
But you know, it's like one of the things we gotta see if we get the.
Oh yeah, and that's why I say the first one is just gonna grow from there. I say in a few years from now, whatever parking garage we want. You know what I'm saying?
It's basically I'm working with the company, so you know what I'm saying. They got that one. So they got a few of them, but I start with that one because of the view.
Right.
You know, the views was dope. So.
No, that was cold though. That's definitely.
In my comment, bro. They want to know. I got Ohio people. They want to know when the next one is, bro.
My boy MJ, who throws stuff that's in Atlanta, he called me. He wanna do one in Atlanta, way in Cincinnati. Arizona that's gonna do, and we started a trend with it. Bro, I told you. Because what made it different was the day party.
Hey, what you call this joint right here?
Sosa, man.
Sosa. Okay. I never knew the name of this one. Okay. Got Big Sosa out here, y'all. Big 4G things on there. What's up? Go Giottos. Old school, got the interior done on that joint right there. See how my boy coming.
What you say this called?
You said what's the name? Sosa. These bitches love Sosa. The law already following motherfuckers, man.
They followed us when we came in.
I split up from y'all. I was following legs in them. Yeah. Decent little dip off though.
They already come try to block the shit out. They already in here.
Damn.
Yep, let me walk back to the front.
I'm so tired of seeing police lights.
To clear out.
Bro, it's a Sunday though.
You guys gotta exit out. No permit, you can't stay here.
Man,
I got the
I
I left the permit at the house. Let me go grab it.
It's public property. The hell?
So you can't come to a park on the Sunday?
Doctor's notes. I know she can make a
That's what I'm saying. I left mine at the crib. Let me go get that bitch real quick. Hold that thought right here. Let me go grab it. All the way to Bolingbrook. Be about 2 hours. I'll be right back. Straight up. Hell yeah.
They mad as hell. They won't let us be great. That's what I don't understand.
As we been
That's what I'm saying. Like my thing is, y'all want us to do something productive with our time instead of
right,
doing all this other shit.
What's going on, Queen?
And then y'all take the one that.
Queen over here chilling in the cut, man. Y'all see what's the fuck going on. Big, this motherfucker look like the Jeep they was riding in one of them Fast and the Furious movies. Remember that shit?
Yeah. I call it a military.
Yeah, this motherfucker look like it'll go through anything.
Yeah, it will.
I see how she coming, man. She said it will. Battle tested. What's going on with you though? Go ahead and shout your channel out one time.
My channel is Michael the Dream. If you can't remember that, the Dream Car Queen. I do all the shows in the Midwest. Mook knows. And
Yes,
I also
sir.
do my own thing. I go to like special events. I go to underground drag racing events. So man, check out my channel.
Yes, sir.
Check out the Midwest Car Show Queen.
Hey, look, man, she got real similar channel, real similar content to what I got on my channel, man. So if y'all rocking with me, y'all gotta rock with her. Make sure y'all show love, support the queen. And it look like they finna kick us up out of here, so I'm gonna pick the camera up when I hit the next location, gang. I see how she going, man. Big Jeep gang out here. Big Jeep gang out here. My boy sitting on like 30s right here. Big artiste. Nah, we still moving.
Oh, okay. Man, this motherfucking road feels so good.
Ooh, fuck.
What?
All these fucking potholes, I hit one.
Oh, damn.
They not even potholes, they manholes, but the street ain't,
All these sewers
Bro, we down the wrong street for a big wheel ride out.
up, bro.
This not the right street for a big wheel ride out, bro.
This bitch.
They tweaking. Motherfuckers need to move over a block, either way.
Oh,
They tweaking hard. No, my shit done got some dings in it. I was on this motherfucker last night dealing with this.
look, that's what I do. I'm like, oh, fuck, I forgot this motherfucker fucked up.
They still swerving, they don't get no fuck.
What?
My man with the green Cadillac. Driving slow. Doing the 300.
You ain't just see me pass you? So you ain't just see me pass you?
Nobody went past me yet.
I just went past you.
Oh, yeah?
Me and Trap just went past you.
Oh, damn. I'm just putting down right side of the highway. Like, I mean, it's right now, like, I'm like, what they do? I'm not going now.
Yeah, no, we passed the gray Cadillac. We already up here, passing 71st.
Damn, nigga. Kept going like I was. I thought y'all was gonna ride together. Shit.
No, every year, once we hit the highway, everybody just broke up.
Fuck y'all.
Motherfuckers just start flying.